Hello, boys and girls. You need to listen to this recording to help you complete your writing assignment for Tuesday, March 24th. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Ms. Hollum's eClass page. Once you're there, you're going to click on the DLD Digital Learning icon right here. You're going to click on that one. Wait just a minute. And then you're going to scroll down until you get to week number 2. You're going to click on week number 2. And you're going to go down to where it says Tuesday, March 24th. Once you're there, you're going to look for the writing assignment. The writing assignment is right here. And the writing assignment has this passage that is attached to it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to read this passage that talks about the 3 branches of government. Now I'm going to go ahead and read with you, and I need you guys to read along with me. Okay, ready? The 3 branches. The first 3 articles of the Constitution set up the federal government. The articles explain the duties of each branch of our government. Each branch has different powers. The legislative branch has the power to make laws. This branch is the Congress. It includes the Senate and the House of Representatives. For a law to pass, more than half the members of each house need to vote for it. The second branch, the executive branch, enforces laws. It is made up of a president, a vice president, and the president's staff. The judicial branch makes sure the laws are written and used correctly. The U.S. Supreme Court and other federal courts are part of this branch. The courts make sure that Congress and the President apply all laws fairly. Okay, once you're finished reading your passage, you're going to click on the link that's going to take you to your writing assignment. You're going to have 2 options once you click on it. You're going to be able to print. Right here, you're going to print this graphic organizer, or you can make your own graphic organizer on notebook paper, and you can write your answers right there. So it's divided into 3 different sections: the legislative branch, the executive branch, and the judicial branch. And if you scroll down at the bottom, you're going to be able to see and go back to the passage to help you answer the questions in your graphic organizer. For example, the first one talks about the first part of the graphic organizer, talks about the legislative branch. So, if it's asking me about the legislative branch, I'm going to go back to my passage and look. Where did I see that my passage talked about the legislative branch? I'm going to go and look and see. Oh, it's right here. This first paragraph talks about the legislative branch. So that means right here is where I'm going to find my answer to my questions. All right, so let's look at the first answer. The first question, What power does this branch have? What power? Look at the keyword right here. It's asking you, what is it asking you? It's asking you, what power does this branch have? I'm going to go back to my passage and look. about the power that this branch has. The legislative branch has the power to, and then I'm going to go back and write it inside my graphic organizer or write it on my notebook paper. Okay, now let's see question number 2. Who is in this branch? I'm going to go back to the same paragraph because that's the one. Paragraph number 1 talks about the legislative branch. Okay, let's see. Who is in this branch? This branch is this branch it includes the Okay, there we go. I'm gonna go back and write down who is in this branch, and then you're gonna draw a picture of the legislative branch. And how are you gonna do that? Is you're going to go back to your passage, and as you can see right here, it has the pictures of the legislative branch, which is the United States Capitol, the executive branch, which is the White House, and the judicial branch, which is the Supreme Court building. Okay, so once you're finished doing that, you'll be all done. Remember, you have to go back to your passage to find your evidence and help you find your answers. Okay, hope this helps you out, boys and girls.